Okay guys, so I've pinned the front. Like I had said that I'm working with plain and pattern. Okay, so if I open this, you're going to see I have pattern on one side and I have plain on this side. That is the essence why I just decided to create, this pattern. Pattern was to teach you how to cut, which I said you can cut on fabric or you can draft a pattern. It's the same thing. Okay, so I've placed it and I have also put my pattern on it. Now the thing you're going to do there is that you're going to add, remember now, because we're having a cut here at the center front, all right? This is still your center front, okay? Remember that we're having a cut there, so you're going to have to add half of an inch, to that point. Sorry, I need to get it illustrated. Okay, so we're going to add half of an inch here so that we can join back, join the two of it as one piece. All right, so that's just what I'm marking there. Sorry, I can't really move this because once I move this fabric, it will disorganize everything. So all what I'm doing is adding my half an inch. Please just add it all the way down. So when you're cutting, cut at that half of an inch. Okay. So that's all, right? So now cut round it. So this is just the front I am cutting at the moment. So I'm cutting at the half of an inch I added. So I've just cut out the same thing. That's why I said you can actually do this directly on fabric as well. Alright? So that's it. So I'll be able to cut out my front. Okay? So depending on what fabric you're using, please mark so you know the good side and the wrong side. So I've been able to do that. So that's what we're having. So I'll just open that and show you. Okay. So that's what we'll be having. Okay. So we're going to be joining this together as one piece. So that's just basically. Please, when you're cutting yours, be careful and make sure that this design, stays the way it is meant to. So so that if you're sewing in, you're sewing exactly at the point you're meant to. Okay, so we'll now cut our back. Okay guys, so this is the back. The same thing I did. So I just placed the pattern on fold. The back is on fold. I'm not having any design at the back. Even that front that I cut into two is because I'm using two different fabrics, so I need to join them back together. If you're working with the same fabric, please don't cut your front. That front is on fold. Front is on fold. Back is on fold. Okay. So let me flip so you see. So this is folded. That's it. So I just folded it, placed my pattern, and I cut it. So now I'm going to be cutting the sleeve. What I'm using to knit in the neckline is just going to be bias. Okay. So I have my bias maker. So I'm going to cut it. I'll show you how to cut stuffs on bias, and I will create I'll iron it and I will sew it on the neckline. Okay, so let me show you how to cut the sleeves.